Hello everyone! I was just at the supermarket and I wanted to show you everything I got and how I transport it because I don't have a car, but I still eat a lot of fruit obviously since I'm eating a raw vegan diet, low fat, and yeah, I just wanted to show it to you. So here's the cute little bike trailer that I'm using, and got a couple bananas. I still have an entire case at home, so that's why I didn't get that many. And then I also got some more cress, some grapes, and here I have 3 avocados. They are already pretty much ready to eat. Got some ripe bananas, already had one. And something I'm really excited, got some watermelon, and those look really good. You always want to make sure that your watermelons have a big, deep yellow spot, and if there's still like sand on there, it's really good. Got some kale, I want to make some sauerkraut. Got some cucumbers, some zucchini, some celery eggs, some more watermelon. And then I have gotten 2 bunches of carrots, some basil, some frozen fruit, blueberries, mangoes. Got some more blueberries, got some cherry tomatoes, iceberg lettuce, some more bell pepper, raspberries, tomatoes, and a lot of bell pepper. I really love this. One day we will be able to buy cheap organic bell pepper which is not packed in plastic, but for now this will do. So yeah, this is everything I got, and I'm gonna put this box in the bike trailer, and then I'm gonna put this into these bags, and in the back I have some more storage space, and here I also have some more storage. And that's pretty much how I shop. And the reason I want to show this to you is because I want to inspire you and show you that it is possible to eat a raw vegan diet, even if you don't have a car, even if you live in cold climates, like I live in Germany. Fruit quality here, I mean, it's not, similar, not comparable to the tropics, but it's still really good, and I love this lifestyle, so I would still... Okay, there was just a helicopter, so I had to pause the video, but yeah. What I wanted to say is that, I still would much rather eat this way compared to any other, lifestyle diet, even if I'm not in the tropics. And also I want to show you how much you actually gotta buy to be able to sustainably eat a raw vegan diet, low fat, healthy raw vegan, So, yeah, that's why I showed this to you. And of course you can choose to buy less, but then you're not going to be able to succeed on this lifestyle, and you're not going to be able to be consistent and not constantly fall back into old eating habits. So that's why I really am passionate about sharing this with you and spreading the message of you gotta carb up, and you gotta eat enough, you gotta buy enough. And yes, I have probably spent 100 euros today, probably more, and I'm spending this amount every week. And yes, I am spending all my money on fruit, but it's so much worth it to me because I have more energy and more passion for life. I'm able to experience life with much more joy, and I can feel everything more intensely because I'm not suppressing my feelings with cooked food, which in the beginning I thought is a disadvantage because I was feeling the negative things more intensely as well. But once you have cleaned up, once you have let go of all the negative things that are no longer serving you, or at least a big portion of it, it's amazing because you experience all the positive things so much more intensely. So I love it. I love eating this way, and I love feeling this way, and I love having this energy. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. Also make sure to click the link in my description box. You can sign up if you want for a free workshop that I'm hosting next Sunday. And yeah, you can sign up and join. It's gonna be free, no strings attached, and it's gonna be really nice. I'm excited for this workshop, and I hope to see you there. Bye bye.